This model of the week is a 1957 Continental Mark II plastic model by AMT. Really good condition. No warping at all. It has good glass. No interior. Beautiful lines of the Mark II. It's a Continental kit. There's the side profile. And front end design. And the underside. Black metal base, stamped AMT, got a friction motor. It works really good. Car rolls good. Again, no warping on this model. Shows the ultimate design of a beautiful luxury car. And that makes this the model of the week. Thank you for viewing.